The Vortex, mysterious, powerful, and now it drives state-of-the-art separation technology as Lakos introduces Vortex 2000. Improved performance, lower pressure loss, easier to install, lower prices, exclusive products for the heat transfer industry. The HTH and the HTX series, new from Lakos, engineered for the demands of the next millennium. Here's what makes them different. Acceleration from the acceptance chamber to the separation barrel is now accomplished with the patented SwirlX slots. These slots are precisely curved to maximize the laminar flow through the slots and enhance solids removal by maximizing the effective acceleration through the slots. Separated solids which fall along the separation barrel are now even more positively influenced into the collection chamber via the patented VorTube, which relies on the separator's powerful vortex to draw fluid to the separator's outlet. Tapping the vortex effect by means of a small hole in the vortex deflector plate, fluid is drawn from the upper part of the greater collection chamber area, thereby providing both a pressure differential and actual space for the separated solids to enter the collection chamber and avoid the vortex outlet. So effective is this new VorTube that separation performance for finer particles has increased by 50%. This graphic shows the result with the typical grit and scale in a cooling tower system. Current single-pass performance standards, as you know them, have increased noticeably. Recirculated water, as is common in a cooling tower, also changes from its standards to significantly increased performance. In essence, a much larger aggregate volume of solids is removed, thereby further protecting the fluid system from troublesome particle fouling and accumulation. In addition to increasing performance, this new technology now performs at a pressure loss as low as 3 psi. Two distinct models are now available. The HTX series is your new industry standard, featuring an all-new accessible component, the rigid coupling, which requires fewer bolts, is easier to handle, and has improved sealing characteristics. The inlet and outlet of this new series is now grooved and piped, allowing for easier installation with grooved couplings. Faster installation and a more positive seal is achieved. Perhaps the most exciting feature of the new HTX series is the VorTube-driven solids recovery vessel. This all-new stainless steel SRV unit works much like the former closed recovery system with a distinct advantage. Instead of plumbing the excess fluid return line back to the system pump suction, that return line can now be piped directly back to the VorTube itself. This eliminates excess piping and provides a self-contained solids and liquid handling system. And excess purged liquid is returned immediately to discharge flow, eliminating system fluid loss entirely. The HTH series is your economy extreme product, designed for tough budgeting and competitive restrictions. With the HTH series, the VorTube is internal, sacrificing only the self-contained SRV concept. You can still apply the SRV just like before with the CRS. You still get the increased performance and the grooved end connections. And now at a price that averages 30% less than before. Compared to the competition, this new pricing will fall anywhere between 10 to 30% less than any known competitor. When necessary, you can specify either the HTX or the HTH series with ASME code construction. No need to change models, simply use the price adder in your new price list. New written specifications have also been prepared, providing much tighter specs based on new and effective patents to keep out the competition. These products are only available to you, the heat transfer representative. Lakos industrial reps will have their own exclusive product line with features only necessary for the tougher requirements of the process industries. Better products, better performance, better pricing. Lakos and the new Vortex 2000 program promises you increased sales and better profitability than ever before.